Sometimes when you're restoring an old car, you miss a spot, or a spot starts to rust spontaneously. On my Pontiac, it was a spot on the hood that started to rust. The rust lifted the paint, creating a blister. I showed the car to the garage that had done the welding and metalwork. The owner immediately spotted the bad paint spot and offered to repair it for free. First, the area needs to be ground down to see what the problem is. The rust had penetrated all the way through the top layer, as we see here. The affected area was cut out and replaced with an iron plate. Then apply and primer and fill until you reach a smooth, stable surface. Finally, repaint the area with the car paint that matches the vehicle's color code. My color is Cardinal Red. After paint polish, nothing remains visible of the repair. During the restoration, there was also paint damage on the door edge. He repaired that also immediately.